I'm sorry I was quiet in the last video, but I'll be a little louder. I was tired. I work. YouTube's not paying the bills just yet. But anyways, we're back with the Civic. And what's cool about it is, too, I got brand new brakes here, as you can see. And I acquired some help. Kind of scary.
Watch out.
I just found him walking by and I just yelled, "Hey!" You know how to fix cards?
Cards or cars?
Both.
Sometimes.
Okay, well, we're going to try this. Let's see what happens.
Alright.
We're going to work on the front brakes, and if anything happens, be sure to comment, make fun of us, whatever you want to do.
We're just going to take this tire off here. Here you go, buddy.
Ah!
Oh, okay, yeah, don't grab the button.
Oops.
Wow.
And that's how you remove a tire,
Okay.
right? You know how to do that now?
Sometimes.
Okay, you want to catch the tire?
Okay. Thank you.
Pro tip. I think everybody knows this anyways. Put it, I thought you were going to put it over there. Put it underneath there. Oh yeah, these are actually pretty old. Those actually look pretty old, eh? I just realized that.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, so let's start taking this off.
Alright.
We need wrenches.
Yeah, so we're going to need some sockets. There's 4 bolts to take this off. There's 2 in the back here and then 2 on the caliper bracket.
But
actually, is it different?
Is it?
Wait, where's the what's this? Buddy?
Scared?
There should be another screw, yeah, there should be another screw there.
I think this might be a Honda thing.
Is it just 1 bolt for this year?
It is.
Yeah, it's just 1 bolt. That's dope.
Scary.
It's so scary. I lied, not 4.
3 bolts.
3.
Wow. Okay. This caliper looks old, but we can clean it up if we really want to.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to do that. Hey guys, guess what? So if you take a look over here at this caliper, you see this? This once was a bolt that had, you know, like edges that you could catch with a socket. And if you take a look at this, that's okay. But this, there's nothing. It's literally whoever had this before stripped it right down to almost perfect circle.
It's a circle. And they're not
Yeah,
supposed to be circles.
because this is supposed to come out. You pull the pin out. Yeah, this is not going to be fun. Looks like we're going to have to make do with what we have and see how we can do this. Oh, actually, and also, just to add to it, you see the rotor? You see these bolts? If we're lucky, they'll come out nice and easy. But they look pretty. Actually, you might be able to get those out. We might be a little blessed on our rotor if we can get this off to get the rotor off. So, if you take a look at Nick, this is how he feels.
My soul has left my body.
Yeah, he was all excited to do this, and then I'm like, you know, usually there's 2 bolts that hook that together, and he's like, no, you're right, there are.
I did small engine mechanics, and ATVs had the similar process too of calipers with 2 bolts.
Looks like we're going to be doing a lot of
grinding.
Why did we think there was 1 bolt? Why?
I mean,
We should have known there was 2 bolts.
Buddy, I knew there was 2 bolts. I told you we were just praying. But it looks like that, like every other caliper in the world, there's 2 things that hold it down. Normally. So, yeah.
But a perfect circle.
It's a perfect
It's
circle.
like the Earth. It's just a perfect circle.
This is what you get when you don't safety a car when you buy it. Awesome.
Well, looks like we're going to be doing this tomorrow morning.
Yeah, well, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Okay, so Jordan, say what we were saying earlier.
All right, well, we were completely wrong.
It is 1 bolt.
We are backyard mechanics. We don't know
We
everything,
actually
and
do
it is
that.
actually just 1 bolt.
It is a big 1 bolt. Which is amazing. I thought I was screwed for. It would take like forever.
You might need the PVC pipe.
I don't see the Armstrong. Let's see. Are you the Hulk?
You're in the way.
Oh. That's okay.
Okay, no.
Okay, so we're gonna need PVC pipe. So, new rule for jank mechanics. If you do not actually have a steel bar or a breaker bar to do it, use a PVC pipe. Like my trailer hitch. It works, shockingly.
It holds pressure, baby. And let's get a TOV here, buddy. TOV mechanics taking off a bracket. Got this one. Yeah, use that on a little more.
We got it, Jordan.
Thank
We
God.
got her. I'm actually happy now.
Did you get
But
that
I'll
connected?
take it off.
Yeah, take it off and take a look. That actually connected onto the caliper.
And you know
We've
what's
never
interesting?
seen that before.
That's
Our first, yeah.
This is our first old Civic we worked on. We worked on 2004 Subaru, and then the ArcSave 2003 EL. Yeah, that was 2 bolts. And if you looked, I just noticed now there's a little tiny, looks like a 9mm, maybe 8mm. On the end there, that takes this off. Honda, love your engineering, but you're weird. Did you get that? That hurt. Don't.
Buddy, watch what you're doing. Yeah, you should probably put those on.
Actually, I do. Off with the old, in with the new. Okay, so update. As you can tell, actually I'll show you on this one. We made it so far to find out that everything doesn't fit, nor does the pads. However, the brakes are fine. It's hard to tell with these on, especially with the low car. So brakes are fine. Brakes are still technically relatively in good health. So we put them back on. So that's why we kind of got into it and we didn't take any videos because we were baffled by the engineering of Honda and the greatness of Honda. We love you. You know, if anybody from Honda's hearing this, please sponsor. We don't make money. Parts. So yeah, anyways, we'll be back with another video. Probably doing the rear because we do have, I think, the right ones, which are right there.
Did you get it from the same guy?
No, actually I got it from Amazon.
Okay, then they're probably right. Okay.
That should be right.
Yeah, we could probably do the back then.
Canadian Tire
There we
did
go.
Dirty. Disappointed. But anyways, we'll do another video soon, doing the rear drum pads, as well as doing the rear taillights. And yeah, got extra help now, and supposedly he's got a new car too. Why don't you
You'll
tell
see
the
that.
folks?
No, they'll see that.
Oh, you're keeping it as a surprise, right?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great.
So I guess we're gonna do another video other than the Purple Rain series, which is gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be called White Rain. White Rain.
Don't know. Oh, right, because the color's white. That makes sense. Anyways, we'll come back with you with another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. If you want to see more goof-ups like this, basically spending an hour for absolutely nothing. And,
Hey, you know what? You loosened up the bolts for the next time when you hopefully get the right parts.
Slotted brakes. We'll do slotted brakes next time out. For
Performance
guys. And we'll find out what vehicle you purchased.
Yeah,
So
you'll
that's
see
gonna be
soon.
exciting.
All right, guys. Thanks.